To make money with Google Ads, you need to participate in Google's advertising program as an advertiser rather than as a publisher. Here's how you can get started. Set up a Google Ads account. Visit the Google Ads website, ads.google.com, and create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your campaign. Define your advertising goals. Determine your advertising objectives, whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, driving sales, or raising brand awareness. Clearly define your target audience and the key metrics you'll use to measure success. Create effective ad campaigns. Design compelling ads that capture attention and drive action. Craft engaging ad copy and use visually appealing images or videos. Experiment with different ad formats, such as text ads, display ads, video ads, or responsive ads, to see what works best for your goals. Select keywords and targeting options. Identify relevant keywords that users might search for when looking for products or services like yours. Use Google's Keyword Planner or other keyword research tools to help you discover relevant terms. Choose appropriate targeting options, such as location, demographics, interests, or device preferences, to reach your desired audience. Set a budget and bidding strategy. Determine your advertising budget and bidding strategy. You can set a daily or monthly budget and choose between different bidding methods, such as cost per click, CPC, or cost per thousand impressions, CPM. Adjust your bids based on the competitiveness of keywords and the value of each click. Monitor and optimize your campaigns. Regularly review your campaign performance through Google Ads reporting and analytics tools. Identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your ads, keywords, targeting, and bidding strategy. Track conversions and ROI. Set up conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Determine the actions you want users to take, such as making a purchase, submitting a form, or signing up for a newsletter. Consider Google AdSense as a publisher. If you're interested in earning money by displaying ads on your own website or blog, you can explore Google AdSense. AdSense allows you to earn revenue by displaying relevant ads provided by Google on your site. You'll receive a share of the advertising revenue when users click on those ads. Google Ads requires continuous monitoring, testing, and optimization.